Hey, Chris from Codify Academy here. In this video, I want to talk to you about how to be successful when you're watching our videos and how to improve your learning potential. We're going to cover 4 things: what's a proper environment, controlling video speed, taking down some notes, and coding along with us. Having a proper environment to learn is very important. We recommend setting up a space at home and finding a comfortable space close to home where you can code. Libraries are definitely number one for this, but you also have things like Starbucks and there are a bunch of open spaces. When you're listening, you should plug in headphones. This is going to drown out the outside noise for you. And then at some point you want to invest in a second screen. Most developers have 2 screens, some have more than that. But when you're coding, this will give you a bigger workspace. And technically you do already have one. It's probably in your pocket right now. It's your cell phone. This can serve as your second screen when you're watching videos. Although at some point I do suggest getting a monitor that's bigger. Cool, so now that you know what a proper environment is, let's talk about video speed. Sometimes they can go too fast or they can go too slow. So if we Google something called a video speed controller, we're going to add this as an extension to the browser. We can just click Add to Chrome here. So when a video is played, you're going to see an indicator up here, and you can increase or decrease the speed of the videos. This is a super helpful tool, and if you want to use it on this video, just go ahead and refresh, and then you can start playing around with it now. Otherwise, wait till the next video. So about 60% of what you actually write down is going to be remembered. So when we write something down, we're actually tricking our brain to tell it that this is something super critical, you need to remember it. So you can write stuff down like definitions or examples of HTML elements and attributes, or maybe how properties and values in CSS are supposed to work, stuff like that. So as you're watching and code is being written, make sure to take the time to pause the video and write that code out and view how it's going to look in the browser. Remember that brain trick from note-taking? The same thing happens here. When you actually do something, you're going to remember about 75% of it. That's it for now. Make sure you have a good learning environment, you take control of your video speed, take good notes, and code along with us. If you do all of these together, you're going to build up your skills faster.